welcome back to our cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I'll be doing a grape juice today with 1 lime, and I'll be using 2 coconuts. If I actually break the coconut, you have a lot of water, I will be using 1, but if they don't have too much of water, I might just have to use the 2. So I will start with this one first. Just cut this, just cut it through. Let me just put it there. Now break the coconut. Okay. Okay, set. So I put it. Okay. Just this is the the juice we get from this cup of grape and 1 lime. Now I'll be adding this coconut water. Try it. Very nice. I like the taste. I like the way the lemon taste and everything just blend together. Thank you for watching. Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We are making juice today. We're using 1 orange and we are using 2 beet. This amount of ginger. I'll be using 6 carrots. So stay tuned. I will be cutting this orange. Please, if you are just watching, you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Help us to share the video. Please like and comment. Thank you, and God bless you as you do so. So I'll just peel. It doesn't matter how you peel the orange. The most important thing, because I want to take the back out, the most important thing, you take the back out. So I'm not peeling this one. I'll just cut it a little bit. So they can fit in. We just put that one in and just cut this one down. So I'll just do everything once that one finish, I can just put this one inside. I don't have to cut the carrot because the carrot can go like that. Beet is a very strong root. I had to put this one on a high speed. This is what we got from 6 carrots, 1 orange, and that medium-sized beet, 2 of them. So this help you to clean your liver. You need this one in your body at least once in a week, if it's possible. Maybe you can take it however you want it, but yeah, it's really important. Wow. Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're trying our best to bring different things come together. Please subscribe and share. Please. Thank you. We need your comments too. Bye.